During the demo day, which is going to be from the 26th of August to 28th of August, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, later this month, we are going to display some really exciting new technologies from HAAS Automation. HAAS, as all of you know, is one of the top machine tool builders globally, with several innovative products. For the first time, we will be displaying a UMC-500SS, which is a super speed version of a compact UMC-500. So in this version, we have a roller cam driven rotary, extremely fast, accurate. We coincidentally have sold several of these machines in varied industries, defense, aerospace, and also in implant machining. For a lot of orthopedic implant suppliers are using our 5-axis machines. So we would really invite customers to come and see this, see the technology that HAAS has on display. I truly believe that the UMC-500SS offers a compact footprint, excellent pricing, and will step the customer up from simple 3 or 4 axis work to 5 axis in an affordable, economical manner. So really, truly, a small package, delivering an incredible punch, incredible value. The second HAAS machine on display is a ST10Y, a Y-axis compact turn mill center from HAAS, with HAAS's own APL, so it will be auto-loaded. And again, in the environment that we are in today, we saw this during COVID, and we continue to see it. Automation plays a very important role today in terms of machining and for all machine shops, big and small. So with this affordable automation, HAAS again, takes the next step forward in changing the way conventional machine shops work. And what we can see is that the future really shows us that multitasking and automation is going to play a very important role, irrespective of the size of the machine shop. I believe irrespective of the salary levels, right, which we see. So we often see, customers today, even though salary levels of operators, etc., are lower, maybe in countries like India, like ours, still, automation is playing such a key role because it is not one or the other. I think the balance between automation and skilled workers, skilled engineers, needs to be maintained. And that balance is crucial for any business to be successful. The third machine that we plan to display from HAAS, in addition, to these two, is a small mini mill, which is it's a machine a compact machining center that we use for training, that we also use for small compact part production. So these are the machines from HAAS on display, in addition to the various other technologies that we are going to have on display. Needless to say, we also are going to have our most popular VF2I, the machine that we have sold, close to, I think, over 3,000 machines in the last maybe 4-5 years in India. So it's a huge, our most popular selling machine, not just in India, but worldwide. So the VF2I, of course, will be on display. It goes without saying. And this will really round off the HAAS display for our tech center event, our demo day event, and of course our tech center opening.